Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to use Street View on Google Maps on computer. So let's start. For example, let's go to a place here and just select the place that you want to go, and then just click here that appears the option Street View. Just click there and you will find the Street View of this address that appears here. You can use it. As you can check, it's not difficult to use. So then let's go back. If you want to another place, just go here and just select the place that you want. For example, you can select this one, and then again just go to Street View and you can check how it looks. So as you can check, it's very easy to do it. So now you can use Google Maps with Street View without any problem on your computer. So I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.